Welcome back to the channel, and for today's video we're going to be taking a look at Sage Therapeutics, ticker symbol SAGE. Now it is currently around 8:45 in the morning. We're approaching 9 a.m. right before pre-market. And this stock just came out about a half an hour ago, and I really want to break it down for you guys because this is going to be a wild one for today. This stock is currently down from where it left off on Friday, around $36, $37, and completely plummeted, okay? And hit lows this morning around $17. Has bounced a little bit since then, is back to around $18 real quick. But this stock has completely plummeted because of big news that came out this morning, talking about how Sage Therapeutics are trading lower after the company announced the FDA issued a complete response letter for their new drug application. It's called, looks like, Zerolone, and the treatment for adults with a major depressive disorder. Stock craters 49% for their postpartum depression, but not major depressive disorder. So this stock has a lot of negative news coming out about this. Obviously, as you can see, a lot of price target cuts, a lot of just overall bad publicity this morning with this stock. So that's perfect for us and the trading scenarios that we can be given here. So real quick, this chart on the left is my 1-day 1-minute chart, 5-day 5-minute chart, and then down here is my 365 chart. Just kind of taking a look at the stock overall, you can see that, yeah, it's just completely pulled back from where it was trading previously last week. Around $37 is now trading down to about 17, high teens, low 20s. Taking a look at this bottom right chart here, you can see that the past year, even the past 5 years, if I pull this back even further, nothing has happened to this stock tremendously like we're seeing now. There's been a few pullbacks here and there, a few drops. We have not seen the below $20 since April of 2020 when the COVID crash happened, okay? And ever since COVID crash, the stock has been, it's been all right. It's been good for trading, actually, if you take a look at it, because it goes in waves of momentum. But taking a look at what we have to look at today in this chart right here, a 1-day 1-minute, you can see that really what I'm looking at is this is a stock where we haven't seen lows under $20, let alone $25. We haven't seen lows this low in years, okay? So really what I want to do is I want to take this tool right here, and I'm going to draw a line at our absolute lowest point, which is where our $17 mark is. So $16.99 is what I'm going to watch, basically $17 for a low. I like this double bounce right here off of this. Even though it was quick jump back up to this $21 level area, it pulled back here on the minute chart and then bounced again to try and get back over 21. Obviously the volume is a little bit choppy, so it's kind of hard to tell, and we may just completely bust through that area as pre-market happens, or once open happens. But as of now, I like this range right here. It's a wide range. It's from $17 all the way up to 21 is a high, but I do like this range a lot. And the reason I do is because of the fact that we're actually having pretty strong volume for this therapeutics company stock in the pre-market. So because of the volume at pre-market, I think that the volume at open, we could see one or two things happen. We could see this completely surge to the downside and then bounce quickly and then take off, or it's just going to take off. I think that this is going to give us a lot of trading opportunities throughout the day. But just taking a look at the stock, like I said, there is opportunities moving forward with how the stock is looking right now. It's starting to stabilize itself in the higher teens, low 20s. So because of that, I'm going to take that as a good trading opportunity to kind of look as to what I can do at pre-market, right before open, at open, during the morning, throughout the day, just to kind of take the best benefit on this. But I think that if this thing drops below 17, it's going to crash further. If it jumps above 21, this is a big breaking point because there is no resistance in this area, which is going to cause it to completely just skyrocket. So this is going to be one I'm definitely going to watch for. It's going to be very volatile, so definitely take your battles and take your chances. You know, be mindful of what you're going to be doing. The SPY and the NASDAQ right now are taking off. If I just pull the SPY over real quick, you can see the SPY is it's looking strong this morning heading into open. So we'll definitely have to see where we end up with all of this with Sage, ticker symbol SAGE, but I definitely think this is a good one to keep watch for. But guys, let me know which stocks you guys are watching out there today. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like for more videos, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.